Okay, let's pick up the pace. Train is due in Saint Denis in an hour.
We're robbing a train in the middle of a city?
No, it's going to stop there, take on mail and water, let off some boys heading home on leave, and then it heads out.
They know the bridge is gone, Black Lung. There'll be a patrol past Annisburg, waiting down by the river to collect the money.
We sneak on quietly, and then we got a short time to stop the train before it reaches the patrol. John, you go get that dynamite. We'll meet back up outside of Saint Denis.
I'll go with them.
As you wish.
Come on, it's this way. I hid the wagon down here after we blew the bridge.
This is one big goddamn group of us to be riding back into Saint Denis.
Yeah, I heard the Pinkertons have pretty much taken over Van Horn. Moved a whole heap of men in there. Things are closing in fast.
Shit.
Should be just through these trees. There it is. I'll get the dynamite.
No, I can do it.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Okay, it's in the back.
Got it.
All right, let's get this done. No point in putting this off any longer. So listen, Abigail just told me, the money, it's hidden in the caves at Beaver Hollow.
What?
Yeah, so much for never hiding it near camp. Dutch was getting even sloppier than we thought.
Are Abigail and Jack ready to leave?
I think so.
Okay. Well, whatever happens with this job today, wherever Dutch and them go next, we're getting you the hell out of here. We're gonna get you the money you need. Knowing the three of you got out, well, maybe all of this will still mean something. Tilly and Susan, too. I'll do whatever it takes.
You've always had my back, Arthur.
Perhaps not always.
Anyway, here we go. One last train, Arthur.
One last train.
There you are. Got everything?
Yeah?
Then off we go.
Off we go, indeed.
One last time, gentlemen. I got us a river boat. We'll head up to New York or Chicago and get a real boat from there out to the tropics.
So long as it isn't Guarma.
Oh, it'll be paradise, son.
It's all coming together, Dutch. Just like we planned.
Is that okay with you, John? Arthur? Or do you insist on something different?
Sounds about as good now as every time I heard it before.
Oh, Abigail must be real excited. All packed up like she is. I could just see her in the little grass skirt.
Don't talk to me, you son of a bitch.
Boys, okay now, let's keep it down. We don't want to draw attention to ourselves going through here. Nice and easy through town, fellas.
Ah, Saint Denis. It's good to be back. Happy memories, huh, John?
Will you shut up, Micah?
That's enough. Quiet, all of you. All right. Cleet, Sadie, you board halfway along. John, you and Arthur are gonna board at the back. Rest of you, Follow Mike and I, and join once they stop the train.
Here she comes.
Should I just sneak on now?
God damn it. Well, everybody mount up.
We still going through with this?
Of course we are.
Come on, Arthur! We gotta get on that train! We can jump on at the side! Jump! You okay?
Yeah.
Money's in the front carriage. We gotta push forwards quickly before we run out of traffic.
You're done now! Come on! What are you waiting for?
Wait a minute!
How you doing there, Arthur?
I'm okay.
Push up on him!
You're dead, amigo. Son of a
Push
bitch!
forward!
Son of a bitch! Yeah.
Make the next one count! Let's get to the front! Come on!
So much for sneaking on here.
You feel like ditching?
Of course not.
Let's go, Arthur! Let's keep moving! Come on! Let's get to the next carriage!
That's it! God! You're dead. We're gonna win.
Just like the old days, huh?
This don't feel nothing like the old. I'd cut and run now if I was you.
Gonna make you pay for this!
Train's on fire! Come on! We can't get through the smoke! Come on, let's go! Jump! Come on!
Get going, Bill! Get back on! Jump!
Uncouple that carriage before it blows us all up.
On it!
The train's being robbed.
Lay the gun, Arthur!
Well done.
Now get on!
You do not stop the train! You secure up ahead, but keep us moving! I'll deal with that patrol when they come through.
Shit! We got a lot of riders on our tail, Arthur!
I see him! Watch your eye!
Hey, I don't want it up. You sure you can handle that gun? 'Cause I can't take over its wall.
Just shut the hell up!
Hey, we all gotta work together on this. Look out on the left.
Look out on the right!
How the hell did I get settled with you, little lady?
Watch your goddamn mouth!
Look left.
Wait!
On the right.
Look left! More on the right! Will you shoot him, for Christ's sakes?
What the hell you think I'm doing?
Listen!
I don't take orders from you. Okay, get off the gun. We need to go for the money. Come on! The money should be in the front carriage.
Hey, quick! Let's blow a hole. Let's go! In their carriage!
Hurry up, partner. We ain't got...
All right, guess I better blow this thing.
Hurry, Arthur!
Here we go.
We got something! Catch! Yeah. Wait, there's more!
Morgan! The driver's dead! This thing ain't stopping! We got to get off!
Okay then, let's go!
Jesus. We're alive.
Yeah, just about.
Well, let's move.
Where's John?
I tried.
He didn't make it. That patrol killed him. We had to run.
Come on, let's go. Before another patrol turns up.
Ha! Ha!